can give an answer on their face that I don't give a shit about what they think. क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार, झगड़ा करना is one of my favorite thing to do. How dumb am I? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hello, my name is Megha and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. And if this is something which interests you, then please go on, hit the subscribe button. With that, hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time I post a new video. And in today's video, I am going to answer some of questions related to me. It's just a get ready with me video along with this get to know me question tag. I've seen a lot of content creators doing it and I wanted to do it as well. I've also made one video like entirely dedicated to get to know me tag. I'll link it here in this I button. Make sure to check it out and I'll also leave it in the description below. You can check it out later. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started and create a very gorgeous look, I would say. I really don't know what I'm going to create. So yeah, let's just dive into the video. So I'm thinking of creating this look. If it's visible to you, I'll create this look right here. I'm showing you through my laptop because I'm filming through my phone. So yeah, I'll be creating this look and I have all my questions in my laptop as well. So I'll read those questions and answer it for you. It's something related to my life. It's not about my favorite thing or anything as such. It's just some random questions. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I've well prepped my skin already on my Instagram stories. And now the next step is to use a primer. And for today's primer, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Real Base Primer. This is in the shade Pink Tint. Yes, this is in the shade Pink Tint number 3. I'll take a generous amount मतलब जितना चाहिए उतना ही I'll take. I've taken this much right here, this much, and I'll apply it all over my face because this gives an amazing glow. I'll just warm it between my fingers. So freaking hot here and यहाँ पे AC की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, so I cannot even switch on my fan because आवाज़ आएगी. But whatever, let's just begin with the questions. The first question is, what do you love about your favorite TV shows? So TV shows, यहाँ पे I mean watching series or movies, because ऐसे TV तो I don't watch, but here I guess they mean the TV show वाला, series वाला TV show. So yeah, TV show, what do I like most about my TV shows? So there should be some kind of suspense, thrill, adventure. ऐसे वाले टीवी शोज मुझे बहुत पसंद है, जैसे मनी हाइस्ट हो गया, लूसीफर, ऑल दीज आई लव देम, स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स एंड yeah, and I also like those web series or those movies which has like a romance drama, like 5 Feet Apart. वैसे टाइप की मूवीज भी मुझे पसंद है. So yeah, these are the kind of movies or TV shows I would prefer watching, and these are the things I literally look in a TV show before watching it. So yeah, these are the things. So next up is, after my face is well primed, I have to use a foundation. And for today's foundation, I'll be using my favorite Fit Me foundation, and these are in the shade 335 and 230. Now this is very light for my skin tone and this is very dark, so I mixed them. Actually I ordered this one just because I had a lighter shade of foundation. Mix करके एकदम अप्लाई कर लेती हूँ मैं, दोनों प्रोडक्ट यूज हो जाते हैं एंड वेस्ट भी नहीं होता है. So let's move on to the next question, which is, are you more likely to avoid conflict or engage it head on? So I'm never going to avoid any conflict, or I am never going to like run away from it. I like to like face it. And my zodiac sign is Aries, so I'm the fire sign, so obviously I like to do jhagda. Like jhagda karna is one of my favorite thing to do, and I literally argue and have a conflict with so many people. Like so many people hate me for this, so many people, like you won't even believe कितने जन मुझे हेट करते हैं इस चीज़ के लिए. मैं हर एक इंसान के साथ झगड़ा करती हूँ, मैं मतलब कितनी झगड़ेलू हूँ, आई मीन. हाँ, सो बेसिकली आई जस्ट गेट इनटू सम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स एंड ऑब्वियसली आई कांट रन. मतलब मेरे वजह से वो चीज़ हुआ है तो मुझे तो फेस करना ही पड़ेगा. तो हाँ, तो मैं फेस करती हूँ उसको, एंड आई एम नॉट स्केर्ड ऑफ लूजिंग पीपल. लाइक ऑब्वियसली इफ दे आर वेरी क्लोज टू मी आई एम स्केर्ड, लेकिन जो लोग मेरे से कॉन्फ्लिक्ट करते हैं दे आर नॉट एट ऑल क्लोज टू मी, सो आई एम नॉट इवन लाइक बॉदर्ड कि वो लोग क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तो हाँ, दैट इज इट. So the next question is, are you scared of heights? So yeah, I am scared of heights. Actually, scared of heights नहीं बोलूँगी. I don't have this. मतलब I have a bridge phobia. मतलब ब्रिज से तो आई एम वेरी मच स्कैर्ड. बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है मुझे ब्रिजेस से. और मतलब जब भी आई वॉक इन अ ब्रिज आई जस्ट वॉक बहुत दूर. मतलब वो जो एजेस होते हैं ना उसके बहुत दूर आई वॉक, बिकॉज आई एम लाइक मैं गिर जाऊंगी, मुझे डर लगता है. सो आई बिलीव it's not a height phobia because as a somewhere in between, I guess, not exactly a height phobia person but a bridge phobia person. So the next question is if I am an early adopter or not. So I would say I adopt very easily. I literally take no time in adopting in new environment with new people. I am very good at making friends and also at losing them. So yeah, I am a early adopter because मैं बहुत बाहर रह चुकी हूँ घर के. I don't stay at home. हमेशा से बाहर रहे हम सब कोई. तो I am especially a very early adopter. I just eat whatever I get. I just do whatever I can. And yeah. Moving on to the next question we have. If you had more courage, what would you do differently in your life? So अगर मेरे में अभी जितना करेज है उससे ज़्यादा होता तो क्या करती मैं, सोचना पड़ेगा मुझे इसके लिए. मतलब जब मैं छोटी थी ना, when I was like not even छोटी, when I was in my class 9, when I was in my 9th standard or 10th standard, तो मेरे क्लास की लड़के लड़कियां मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बुली करते थे, बहुत ज़्यादा. लाइक मैं पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छी थी फिर भी मतलब मेरे टीचर्स बहुत सपोर्टिंग थे. my teachers were really very supportive, and that is the reason I never felt कि मतलब I need to run away from my problems. But then my friends, I don't call them friends anymore, but that time I did not know that there's a difference between classmate and having friends. So my classmates were definitely a bully. They were literally, that bullied me so many times. color complexion को लेके they used to bully me literally. और तब मुझे मतलब लगता था कि हाँ they are right about it, and I used to feel so freaking bad. और तब मेरे पास करेज भी नहीं था कि आई जस्ट मुंह तोड़ जवाब दूँ उन लोगों को, क्योंकि मैं नहीं थी वैसे टाइप कि मैं तब इतनी झगड़ा नहीं करती थी. तो तब मेरे पास इतना करेज नहीं था कि उन लोगों के साथ झगड़ा करूँ. तो अभी मैं सोचती हूँ कि अगर मेरे पास इतना करेज होता और ज़्यादा करेज होता, आई कुड हैव like replied them on their face. I would have given the answer on their face. Like right now I can give an answer on their face that I don't give a shit about what they think. I am beautiful, I am pretty, I know it, and they don't. Like my color does not define who I am. So अगर इतना courage मेरे पास पहले होता तो I could have like not felt bad about it. So yeah. So the next question is what aspect of your life needs tremendous improvement? So one thing I would love to improve is like I'm very short tempered, and due to this I lose people, I lose so many things, and I regret it later on, but then it's too late and when I regret it and I cannot make things all right. So I would like love to improve this behavior of mine, but मैं जितना भी improve करने की कोशिश करूँ it just does not happen. I mean, and it clearly is proven that I am a fire sign person. I mean, I just cannot, but if I get a chance then I would surely improve this aspect of my life. And moving on to the next question, do I have a tattoo? If you people don't know, I have a tattoo right here, and this means a transcend, which means to go beyond your limits, to rise high above. Then I'll answer some other questions. Who performs the most random acts of kindness out of everyone I know? So out of everybody, to be honest, I am very kind, I am very forgiving, I am very kind, I help people a lot. मैं जितनी हेल्प करती हूँ लोगों को, लोग इतने हेल्प नहीं करते हैं मुझे. बट देन out of the people except me, excluding me, I guess there's a friend, Chelsea. I guess you all, everybody, you know it already. She's really very kind, like literally बहुत ज़्यादा kindness show करती है. She acts really very kind. So yeah, so the next question is, how difficult is it for you to be honest even when your words may be hurtful or unpopular? So I guess being honest is like the best thing. At least it won't hurt that person later on. It will hurt that person for once, but then बार बार वो चीज़ की वजह से इवन यू विल नॉट बी स्कैर्ड कि मतलब कब उसको सच पता चल गया तो क्या होने वाला है. सो इट्स बेटर दैट यू बी ऑनेस्ट एंड यू टेल द ट्रूथ टू दैट पर्सन रादर दैन अ थर्ड पर्सन गोइंग एंड टेलिंग, बिकॉज देखो सच तो कभी ना कभी बाहर आएगा ही. So it's better कि we only say it. It's like much more better. तब maybe for 1 week, 2 weeks she or he won't talk to you. You'll have like no conversation, no text, no calls. But then ultimately, I'm sure it's going to be fine because at least you were honest with that person. How has your birth order of siblings affected you? So this is a very fun question. To be honest, it has affected me a lot. अब हम लोग 4 siblings हैं. We are 4 sisters, and I am the third person. I'm the third sibling. I'm the third child. So basically क्या होता है कि जो फर्स्ट चाइल्ड होता है उसको तो मम्मी पापा का सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार मिल चुका होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार मिल चुका होता है. और जो सबसे ज़्यादा छोटी होती है उसको तो मतलब एकदम पलकों पे बिठा के रखेंगे, बिकॉज सबसे छोटी जो है एकदम लाड प्यार से पाल के रखेंगे. और जो बीच वाले होते हैं उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है, मतलब हाँ बस है टाइप. मुझे वैसा लगता था. ऑब्वियसली माई पेरेंट्स वर नेवर पार्शियल अमंग्स लाइक एनी ऑफ अस, बट देन मुझे वैसा लगता था. एंड मुझे बहुत बार लगा है कि मे बी अगर मैं सबसे बड़ी या सबसे छोटी होती तो मेरा लाइफ कुछ और होता. मे बी इट वुड बी समथिंग डिफरेंट. मतलब होता है, आई गेस सबको होता है. इट्स नॉट ओनली मी. इफ आप लोग को भी होता है तो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट. So yeah, the next question is, if I could change something about my home without worrying about expenses or mess, what would you do? What would I do? So if वैसा कुछ होता ना तो I would surely renovate my kitchen, because हम लोग का kitchen ना बहुत ज़्यादा old fashioned है. और हम लोग जितना भी equipments लगा लें वो kitchen में ना, मतलब वो खिल के नहीं आता है. किचन एकदम नॉर्मल सा किचन लगता है. और सारे इक्विपमेंट्स रखने के लिए जगह भी नहीं है, बहुत स्पेस कम है. तो मैं डाइनिंग और किचन को एक बना देती और अभी मतलब एक सुंदर सा किचन बनवाती. सो आई क्विकली डिड माई एंटायर आई ऑफ कैमरा एंड आई एम राइट बैक. When making an entrance into a party, do you make your presence known? Do you slip in and look for someone you know? Do you sneak in quietly and find a safe spot to roost? So, when I enter a party, I make sure people know about me. I am that joyful, that talkative. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा बोलती हूँ मैं, और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मस्ती करती हूँ. एंड I am that joyful one. I'm very extrovert. So I would do हल्ला and just come in कि हाँ मैं आ गई हूँ. और मेरे हल्ले से everybody would have come to know कि हाँ Megha has come. So yeah, I am of that kind. And with that, I'll answer our last question. So the question is, what do you do if you can't sleep at night? Do you count sheep? Do toss and turn, try to get up and do something productive? So I toss and turn. Also sometimes I get up and do something productive. Sometimes I just scroll Insta feed or start watching Netflix. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you loved this video, and I also loved answering all these questions. And I got to know one thing कि मैं बात करते करते मेकअप तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर सकती हूँ. इतना अच्छा आउटकम नहीं था जितना मैंने सोचा था कि होगा. And also too tired to just go there and get my golden glitters. So I just applied copper glitters, and yeah, that was my RC pun. So whatever. I just completed the video. I'm so excited to just see the views on this video because obviously वो get to know tag में अच्छा खासा views आया था, मतलब अच्छा खासा in the sense मेरे channel के हिसाब से अच्छा views आया था. So I'm excited for this video as well, and if you loved the video then let me know in the comment section below. I would love to make such videos for you all, and I will meet you in my next video. And till then, take care, goodbye. I love you guys so much.